Stuck pipe? Here's how to finally get that stubborn chunk off without breaking your back or your tools. Alright, so first off, you really gotta heat the right spot, heat the tea itself, not the pipe, and keep the pipe cool with a wet rag so it doesn't expand and get tighter. Then, hit it with some penetrating oil like PB Blaster or Kroil oil a couple times a day for at least a week to loosen up the rust and grime. When you're ready to wrench, use 2 pipe wrenches, one to hold the tea steady and the other to turn the pipe, and make sure your wrench teeth are biting into the soft iron, not just slipping around it. If you can, wrap a frozen rag or towel around the pipe near the tea for about 10 minutes before you heat it. Helps create a temperature difference that can break the bond. Don't be shy about using a big wrench too, like a 24-inch one to get more leverage. If the pipe still won't budge, detach any connected pipes like PEX from the tea so you can attack it from another angle. Sometimes it's easier to remove the entire tea and replace it with a new one rather than trying to save that old piece of galvanized pipe. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to remove stuck pipes is heating the wrong area. They heat the pipe instead of the fitting, which just makes things worse by expanding the pipe inside the fitting. Fix this by cooling the pipe and focusing heat on the fitting only. Another common issue is using too small or poorly positioned wrenches that just slip or damage the pipe make. Sure your wrench teeth grip properly and use bigger wrenches if needed for better leverage. Lastly, people often give up too quick and don't apply penetrating oil regularly enough. You gotta be patient and keep applying oil at least twice a day for several days for real loosening power. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to tricky jobs like plumbing repairs. At the same time, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone gets the job done right without headaches.